How to schedule a payment with Bank of America Bill Pay. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can schedule a payment with Bank of America Bill Pay step by step. So without further delay, let's get started. So step number 1 is to log in into your mobile banking application with your credentials. So make sure that you're logged in. So once you're logged in, you will see this kind of interface in your device. So from this interface, navigate to the bottom of the interface. There is Pay in Transfer option. So tap on Pay in Transfer from there. Now once you tap on Pay in Transfer, you will see this kind of interface. Once you're here, head over to Pay Bills option. That says Pay Bills or Schedule. Once you tap on Pay Bills, you'll be taken into this kind of interface where you can select your bill. If you want to go to your bill pays, tap on the Go to Bill Pays at the top right corner. That's gonna take you to your bill pays. Here, now you have to select your pays. Select one of your preferred pays from here, and once you do that, tap on Pay at the bottom right corner. Once you land on here, now from here you could schedule your payment. You could add your deliver by date, and once you're done with that, tap on Pay at the bottom right corner. That's it. Now it will give a confirmation message saying that you have scheduled a payment. Once you're done with that, simply tap on Done, and on your scheduled time, your payment will be made. That's it. That's how you can schedule a payment on Bank of America. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.